learners. Welcome to Learning JMeter Step by Step. My name is Rahul Mishra, and today we will learn about JMeter elements. So, these are very important things. So, first element is at the top level is a test plan, and you can see test plan can be viewed as a container for running tests. It defines what to test and how to go about it. A complete test plan consists of one or more elements such as thread, group, logical, sample, listener, timer, assertion, and configuration element. A test plan must have at least one thread group. So it is important to each and every test plan there will be at least one thread group. So what is thread group? Thread group itself is suggests a number of users and how they are working, ramp up time for the user, number of iteration it we need to use, what will happen, what action to be performed if anything get failed. So these things had be defined at the group of thread group level, and by default in plan and thread group we have these things. So in thread group will be available inside plan config element, listener to see report, different type of assertion is for the verification part these things is available or not, the timing of the sample. So these can be so somebody say SLA for this uh, opening of this point is 2 second, and if it is not required, so you can add those assertion there, the response time and response values and other so we will see in future preprocessor element. So if you have some data you need to copy it, you need to get and process it and define any something you need to change, you can use in pre-process element. Post process after the execution of that step you need to change some values, you need to set those values, so you can do it in post process. Timers to mimic the real time how the user will, he cannot click within a less second in a microsecond, but the JMeter script can that. So to simulate the real time we added different type of timers and others to processing. So we will discuss those things in future. Test fragment is an important concept. If you're working in a team, half team is working on different parts, and there is you can say if you are working in Java and any other languages where you can see repeated methods. So test you created one logic for the login and example. So you can, with the help of test fragments you can use those things. So non-test elements are there for the recording and other things, you can use it. In thread you can find samples, logic controller, and configuration element also. So these things can be found. Additional sample is HTTP and different type of JDBC and different type of so many config samples are there to connect. Logical controllers, different type of similarity, mimic or grouping the test cases and different if else condition, and those things can be there. So configuration element is similarly. So these things are available in uh, as a